Namaste. Mana, which can be translated as mind, is one of the most intriguing elements in the whole universe. An individual ceases to function normally when his mana is affected. This is evident in the present times, where the affliction of mana by shoka or vairagya is causing people to be depressed, violent, etc. All these are included in the spectrum of manorogas. Mana exists in close proximity with Sharira. Their mutual relationship has been explained by acharyas using the following simile. When hot ghee is poured in a pot, the pot gets warmed, and when the ghee is poured into a hot pot, the ghee gets warmed. Think over it. In this video, we will learn about mana in its entirety. Simply Ayurveda is an initiative to explore and share the concepts of the vast science of Ayurveda in an easy manner. Consider subscribing to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Derivation and definition of mana. The term mana or manas is derived from the man dhatu, which means jnana or bodhana. Manyate, nyayate, avabudhyate anena iti manaha. That which perceives and expresses knowledge is called mana. Mano lakshana. Lakshanam manaso jnanasya bhavo abhava evacha. Sati hyatmendriyarthanam sannikarshe. Na vartate vaivrutyat. Manaso jnanam sannidhyat cha vartate. Mana is characterized and its existence is inferred by the presence and absence of knowledge. To obtain knowledge of the arthas or objects, mana needs to act as a link between the Atma and the Indriyas. If such a link is not there, knowledge is not produced. Only in the presence of mana, which connects the other entities, knowledge is attained. Sukhadi upalabdhi sadhanam indriyam manaha tacha pratyatmanetattvad anantam paramanurupam nityam cha. The Indriya, which does the comprehension of sukha or pleasure and other emotions, is called mana. It lies proximal to the infinitely many atmas. It is having paramanu rupa or minuteness, and it is nitya or eternal. The synonyms of mana are as follows. Chittam tu cheto hridayam swantam hrid manasam manaha. Let us now understand the attributes of mana. Anutvam cha ekatvam cha dvarguno manasaha smrtau. The two major attributes of mana are anutva or minuteness or atomicity and ekatva or oneness or singularity. Mana is anu. Due to this subtleness, mana moves swiftly in the sharira, attaching itself with each indriya as per the need. Mana is eka, unlike indriyas which are 10 in number. Its ekatva is discussed by Acharya using the following theories. Utpala Shatapatra Vedajnaya. According to this, when a needle is passed through 100 lotus petals, it pierces through each petal one by one, even though it seems that the needle pierces them simultaneously. Dirgha Shashkuli Nyaya. Shashkuli is a savory made by frying rings of dough. When eating it, the individual may sense that he is perceiving the form, taste, sound, and smell simultaneously. But this is just the swiftness of movement of mana from one indriya to the next. Alata Chakra Darshana Nyaya. When a half-burnt wood is rotated fast, it appears as a wheel. This illustrates how the mana, even though is singular, it moves swiftly to link with each indriyas. Where is mana located? Acharya Charaka states that the mana is located in Hridaya along with Atma to associate with Sattva, Raja and Tama. Acharya Sushruta and Vagbhata also state that mana is located in Hridaya along with Chetana and Buddhi, specifying the location of Hridaya in the chest. Acharya Charaka, in a different context, states that mana is located in the Shira along with other indriyas, their functioning being regulated by prana. Acharya Charaka, in yet another context, states that mana is located in Sarva Sharira. Mana being associated with Atma, it can be stated that mana is situated in each cell of a multicellular organism. Acharya Bhela points out that the sthana of mana is between the shira and talu, that is, the head and the palate. To sum it up, mana resides in Urohridaya and controls the body from Shirohridaya, specifically from between the talu and shira, and acts by traveling Sarvasharira. Mano Vishaya Chintyam Vicharyam Muhyam cha Dhyayam Sankalpameva cha Yatkinchit Manasonyayam Tat Sarvam hi Arthasanyakam. Those things whose knowledge is obtained through mana is called as Manovishayas or Manoarthas. This knowledge is obtained by several ways. The Manovishayas fall under these processes. They are Chintya, thought of whether to act or not act. Vicharya, analysis on the responsibility of act. Uhya, the assumption of the act. Dhyaya, imagination of the object. Sankalpa, debate whether the action is good or bad. Next, we will look into Manokarmas. Indriyabhigraha karma manasaha swasya nigraha uho vicharascha tatparam buddhi pravartate. Indriyabhigraha or control of Indriyas, swasya nigraha or self-control or self-restraint, uha or assumption or hypothesis, vichara or analysis. All these thoughts are considered by buddhi for action. Now we will look into the duality of mana or mana as an ubhayendriya. Ubhayatma karmata manaha. Mana is both a jnanendriya and also a karmendriya. It has its arthas or vishayas and has specific karmas. It is called as atindriya because it controls the functioning of other indriyas. Thus, it is considered as the supervisor of all the indriyas. Mana as roghadhisthana. Tesham kaya manobhedad adhishtanam apidvida. The two adhishtanas of diseases are the sharira and mana. The mutual relationship between these two adhishtanas are undeniable. Diseases which affect the mana affect the sharira and vice versa. While considering the chikitsa for a particular disease, both these adhishtanas should be considered. Try recollecting the simile explained in the introduction of this video. In this video, we looked into the derivation and definition of mana, its lakshanas, its synonyms, the gunas of mana, the similes explaining the ekatva of mana, manasya sthana, manovishayas, manokarmas, ubhayakharmata of mana, and mana as a roghadhisthana. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment your opinions. Consider subscribing to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more updates.